Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's lesson I'm going to show you one of the most useful functions in MATLAB, the help function. To show you how this function works, we are going to see an example with a function that we have used in the previous class, which is the round function. If we introduce help round, MATLAB provides us information about this function. In this case, it says that if we use round x, it rounds the number x to its nearest integer. In this case, if we put, for example, round p, the answer it gives us is 3, which is the closest integer to p. But it also informs us that we can use this function in another way. That way is round x n, which rounds the number x to n decimals. If, for example, we put round p2, as we can see here, it rounds to 3.14. As shown here, we can also use this variant with significant or decimals. Significant or decimals. Another option to get help on these functions is to come here to the help section, and once we open help, we can either search for the function here where some of the most important ones appear, or directly in the search engine. If we look, for example, to the same function that we have previously used, round, as we can see, here appears the description of this function and some examples. That's all about the help function. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to let me know in the comment box.